back to my channel. This is Work at Mama. I am going to be organizing, decluttering, and cleaning out my fridge. We also have quite a few products that are expired. A lot of Tupperware containers that are full of food, of leftovers that I'm going to get rid of. And if you'd like to watch and see how I organize and clean out my fridge, then please keep watching.
I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. Just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter and hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I just finished organizing and cleaning out my refrigerator. It took me a lot longer than I expected. It took me about 2.5 hours to do this, but I did pull out the drawers that hold the produce, and I washed behind the drawers and got rid of everything that was expired and can see everything that I have now. So I guess it was worth it. It had been a while since I cleaned out my refrigerator. So I'm going to pan around so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so up here I just have the Grey Poupon, which I do use for marinade more than we do for sandwiches. I have some spicy red pepper paste here that I like to put in some of the dips that I make and some of the tomato dishes that I make. If you'd like to see some of those recipes, let me know and I'd be happy to do them. Here's the Better Than Bouillon and pie crusts, and then I have jelly, sour cream, the unexpired yogurt, a ton of eggs, pickles, pesto sauce back there. Over here is just my bagel, some fresh fruit, and some condiments. And here I just kept the juice and the milk and the coffee creamer, things like that. A couple of these. Mostly I keep them in the garage. We have a refrigerator there, but those two happen to be in here. A little more juice. It's too tall for me to stand up straight up here. Leftovers, I have pasta and some salad. Those are yummy cookies that I plan on baking. And more condiments and jelly. Then over here I have the lunch drawer. I just keep the turkey and these little smokies that the kids like. The hot dogs are in the back. And right here I have all my cheese. Shredded cheese, string cheese. I have Go-Gurts too up here. I did put paper towel underneath. I don't know if you saw me do that to take care of some of the moisture. Here's all my salad stuff. Some herbs, coleslaw, just lettuce, cucumbers, and then over here I also did put paper towel under these two drawers. I don't know where to put these, so I just kind of laid them on top. There's just some red peppers, some apples, tomatoes, things like that. And then over here I have all of our other condiments. I have extra mustard. I got these from Costco, so I have a lot left over. Salad dressings, I put them all in one area, so that should be more organized. This one was just kind of extra space. I have horseradish sauce and a spicy mustard. And right here I just have some tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, a crescent, some cinnamon rolls, barbecue sauce and taco sauce, and then I just keep my butter and my cream cheese up on top, and that's it. I don't use bins because sometimes I feel like bins actually make me more cluttered because I can't see what's inside and I end up just piling everything, and I like to see my products when I open the door. So that is my clean out my fridge with me.